Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all your watch later videos on YouTube at once. If you've been looking for an easy way to clear out your watch later playlist, this tutorial is for you. Make sure to stick around until the end to see exactly how it's done. To get started, open the YouTube app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, go to the Library tab at the bottom of your screen. From here, tap on your Watch Later playlist. This is where all the videos you've saved are stored. Now, to delete everything at once, you'll need to tap on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the playlist. This will give you the option to remove all the videos from your Watch Later list in one go. If you only want to delete individual videos, you can do that too. Simply swipe left on the video you want to remove and tap on the delete button. This will permanently remove that video from your Watch Later playlist. And that's all for this video. I hope this helps you manage your YouTube playlist more easily. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.